Coopers. Exploring nature today. All of you know I have grandbabies. There's Artie and Adriana and Joey. And we're going to explore nature together. What can you find? Oh, Joey found a stick. What else? Is there a stick, Artie? We can make a hole. Do you think we'll find any bugs? I don't know. Can we find a worm? What do you think? A worm? Anna, what do you think? Crawl up here and oh, look at, I found some bark. This came off the tree. I wonder if any bugs are living inside. You can do this at home. Yes, you can. Come on. Love you. Whoa. Let's see. Let's do some digging. Look at all these little pieces of spring popping up. Look at this, friends. Come on over. Can you see it? I can see it. Oh, I found mud. Squishy, squashy mud. Would you like some mud? Here you go. Ooh, who would like to feel the squishy, squashy mud? Do you remember how we painted ourselves at school? With nature? Whoa. Can you do this at home? Wait a second. You want to do your face too? It's a lot of fun. Anna have some? Oh, there's Anna's face. Anna got a nose? We're looking in nature again, and look at, we found signs of spring. Can you look for signs of spring? I found some tall blades of grass. Mixed them on the leaves. I wonder if I dig up some leaves if I'll find anything. It's awful wet. I think it rained. Whoa. What do you see? I see some wet soil. Maybe we can make a fairy house. Yes. And Artie climbed the top of